Hi everyone, we're carrying on with pop music today, so find something to write with, something to write on, and your popular music booklet. And let's start with the do now. So pause this video and write the answer to these 5 questions. Alright, let's go through the answers. So the structure of 32 bar song form is AABA usually, and each of these sections lasts 8 bars. The chord sequence of the 12 bar blues goes 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 5, 4, 1, 1, and we listened to that last week. The melody, when there are lots of notes per syllable, is called melismatic, and we know that the opposite of that is syllabic, when there's one note per syllable. The distance between the highest and the lowest notes of a melody is called its range, and a song with only verses is called strophic. So give yourself a tick or a cross for those. In today's lesson, we're going to be listening to some music and reading about pop music in order to describe the harmony and rhythm in pop music. So first of all, pause this video and see if you can link up the term with the correct definition here. Right, I'm going to give you the answers now so you can mark your terms and definitions. See which ones you got right. Pause the video and have a look at the answers there. So now I'd like you to get your popular music booklet and read page 183, which is about rhythm and meter. Once you've done that, complete the task on page 183 by listening to these 4 songs and selecting from the 3 different meters which time signature most suits what you can hear in the song. So remember, while you're listening, you might want to conduct with your hand if you remember those movements that we did to conduct the time signature, or you could count in your head. Does this sound like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or this is 12/8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's a compound time, which is why I divided each of those beats into 3. So have a go at those now. The links to the songs are in the description box below. Okay, let's see if you got these ones right. Swap pens, and here come the answers. If you got one wrong or you're unsure of some of these answers, now that you know them, go back and listen to the songs again and see if you can clap along or conduct in 3, 12/8, or in 4. And as a extension task, go and listen to The Electric Company by U2 and see if you can use what we've learnt today to identify the difference between the triple and duple rhythmic patterns in this song. Okay, we're going to move on to harmony now. So in your book or on your paper, copy this table out and fill in the root, 3rd and 5th notes of each chord in C major, and then copy and complete these sentences, so fill in the gaps. Okay, I'm going to give you the answers now, so swap pen colour, and let's have a look at what notes should have gone in this chord table. So hopefully you filled those in right, and you'll notice that some of these Roman numerals are in lowercase, and that means that the chord is minor. And then the Roman numerals that are in uppercase, capitals, those chords are in the major. Let's get the answers to the sentences now. So here come the words from the gaps. Pause the video now and mark your answers to these. Okay, now I'd like you to read the section on harmony in your booklet, which is page 184 to 87. Next, follow the link in the description box below to listen to Axes of Awesome video, which is really cool. It uses the same chord sequence for loads of different songs that I'm sure you'll recognise. And if you've got a keyboard or a guitar at home, I'd like you to have a go at playing the 3 and 4 chord sequences that are on page 185. This will be really useful practice on the keyboards, and it also will show you how these different chord sequences sound. Make sure you have definitions of the following terms in your folder or book. You may wish to use a table like I've done on the screen here, and you'll be able to find the definitions mostly in your textbook. If not, have a Google and see if you can find them. Pause the video now. So that takes us to the end of this video. I'd like you to go back to Show My Homework now and complete the quiz, which covers the topics of today's lesson.